Hello, my name is Dr. Peter and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about the Canadian Vaccine Catalog and how it's integrated into Oscar McMaster. This is our standard backup server, which is our test environment. We're going to log in, and then we're going to be up here in terms of a schedule screen. I've set up not a patient as an appointment, and there's a number of additional links I have here in terms of getting to various parts of this chart. I've got some immunization links, which would be preventions, High Dose QIV, flu zone, and other links here, just to demonstrate a quick access to it. To set those, if you want, you'll go to User Preferences, and you'll go to the quick links to display on appointment screen, and you can adjust them as such. I'll have a copy of these particular phrases in case you want to add those to your Oscar instance. They'll be down in the comment section below. Let's say we want to do a prevention, and so we can go very simply to a prevention item by clicking the P. You'll get into the person's preventions, and here you get into the most important part of the Canadian Vaccine Catalog, which is the Search Everywhere and Everything box. Today I'll reveal one of its hidden elements, is that you can actually search in French. So coqueluche would be, of course, pertussis, so you can actually use that to find your relevant vaccination and prevention method that you want. So you can check for either in terms of the generic concept, or you can search for a particular brand names. The brand names are bolded, and so let's say we pick respiratory syncytial virus. The other approach is, of course, to put in the lot number, which is the quickest way, in which case everything gets filled out for you. But let's say we've picked out the generic concept, and there's a lot of, you'll have to add things in manually, but it should be fairly simple. So let's click that one, and we'll go ahead to the prevention that opens for that. Because it's opened via generic RSV, not a, then you'll have to pick the trade name. For RSV, it's relatively simple. There's only one vaccine. When you pick that vaccine, the DIN number gets automatically populated. The typical dose gets put in, and the dose units get put in as well. And the manufacturer gets added to the system. The only thing left to really add is the lot number, and you can pick one of the lot numbers for RexV, and that will populate both the lot number and the expiry date. Let's remember that particular lot number. I'll just copy it here just to show how easy it is when you actually use the lot number to generate the prevention. And of course you save in the usual fashion. So let's do this again. Instead of picking using RSV as a choice, we can just pick the lot number that automatically picks that brand of vaccine. We click it, and RXV is automatically picked, DIN number, lot, and all that is already automatically picked. So you don't actually even have to do any more clicking except for adding in the location that we're doing the shot and the manner of giving the shot, and save. Now, sometimes the Canadian Vaccine Catalog gets a little bit behind in terms of lot numbers, and you have a lot number in front of you on a file that you can't use this way because the system hasn't been updated. With Oscar 19, you can add that through administration. So you go through back to the administration, you go down to integration, you go down to add prevention lot number, and then you can search here. And this is interesting enough, the same type of search as done in the preventions. So you can actually even just paste the lot number and it'll pick up the right prevention, or you can do a RexV or whatever, but you ultimately have to pick a brand name vaccine to be able to add its lot numbers. So let's pick that one. And then all of a sudden, other parts of this interface become active. By picking the particular brand, you have a snomedId that comes out, the DIN number, manufacturer, status, which is marketed, and then you have a list of vaccines that are available in the system to be used, and you have the opportunity to add lot numbers. So you can add XXXXXX, for example, with an expiry date of, let's say, February 1st next year, and we add it, and then you have successful addition of the lot number, and you can see that it's actually on the list here like that. Let's say you don't like that one, you can select all and delete them if you like. You probably don't want to do that. You might just want to delete any one that you made an error in because the lot number for this vaccine isn't XXXXX, and we can just simply delete that selection, and it deletes, and we're back to where we were before. Okay, that's just a quick overview of some of the bonus features of the Canadian Vaccine Catalog as integrated into OSCAR 19. Thank you very much. Have a good day.